Good morning from my last day in Mexico. Today is a pretty free day. I don't have anything planned until dinner, so I'm just going to take some video around the resort and show you guys around. Alright, so we're starting by my room, which is on the adult side of the resort. The resort has two sections. It's a family side, and then they have the adult side. And my room is on the adult side. See, we've got a pool bar in the main pool. There's also another pool. Let's go down there and check that out. And this is how I know how to get to the main area, is right there, those statues. Those statues are the way that I know how to get back to where all the restaurants and everything are. This is the lobby area for the adult side. If they have groups here that are taking up most of the rooms in this area, they'll have like check-in there, convention center information there, different things for groups. There's also a bathroom in there. I ended up there by accident the other day. So here's the information about these little animals that are roaming the resort. See if I can zoom in on it. Yeah, they're pretty much everywhere. But I've actually only seen like two here. I've seen more wild cats than I've seen coatis. I did see some sort of a lizard yesterday. So here's another really nice quiet area of the resort. If the main pool gets too crazy, too busy, too crowded, you'll want to come over here to this one. I don't know if you have to make reservations for breakfast, or you can just kind of show up, but so I'm just walking, and I honestly don't know where I'm going because I lost my bearings after I left those statues. I think I just made a circle. We'll go this way. This resort is fabulous if you have like a big family and you want to do some get-togethers, because everybody can be really spaced out if they want to be, and be not spaced out if you don't want to be. Maybe this is the main building right here. Let's see. Look at that water. It looks so inviting. I just want to get in. I haven't been over here. Oh, okay. I know where we're going. This is called the Gabby Club. At night they have shows here. We had our first event here when we arrived, and we'll probably have our farewell event here tonight, I think. The other night they had an Elvis impersonator, which I unfortunately missed because I was helping a friend and missed the whole thing. It was all sand. And then that right there technically is kind of like, it's supposed to be like extra seating or dance floor. This is really, really beautiful at night when they're all set up and they have the lights on. So we're gonna cut through. If I can, No, it's actually a restaurant. Maybe I can't cut through. No, we'll just go around. Have all these showers in case you get sandy. So I guess if you're partying and you get sand all over yourself and you want to take a shower afterwards, they got you covered. Alright, let's go to the beach. No, it's rough today. Of course, this is the day that I wanted to spend some time down the beach. I'm sorry, I do not have a wind muff, so it is going to get a little bit loud. And you're looking at pictures of this resort. This bridge might look like it's a long ways. It's not at all. It's actually a very short bridge to the beach. Look at that, it's so gorgeous. There's a lot of seaweed here in Playa del Carmen, but the seaweed is good for the ocean, so they do come and clean it here and there. It is rough today. It was not less rough yesterday. It's a red flag day. That's what that means. I see a red flag. Of course, the day I want to go in the water. Well, there are people in the water. Alright, well, we'll come back later in the day. Maybe it'll be a little less crazy. This weekend.
Señoras y señores, damas y perros, llamar a todos los peleadores, la gente lo pidió, hula hoop, hula hoop.
2 hours later.
Share your hopes and dreams. Each one of you that come up and talked about things in your life that would be better if. And with Savvy as your vehicle, I carry that so deeply in my heart. I wake up in the morning with you on my mind. I go to bed with you on my mind. When we go to work, we're not talking about making a pile of money. That's not our objective. It's a business. We have to operate a business, but the business has a purpose. It has a larger purpose. And that larger purpose is each one of you in this room. You actually are the reason our business exists. It's the reason we created it. So when you think of you and what moves you and what holds you back and what the best version of you could be if you just had the friendship, the partnership, the people that believed in you, the people that loved you, the people you felt safe with, the people that would encourage you forward, we're your team. We're your team. And I will tell you, there's a lot of people out there that they still are looking for a team. We're gonna grow. Do y'all realize sometimes you can't hold things down? When you have a product like ours, how many of you felt a burning this week sometime? Just a burning drive that says, wow, this is home. Did you feel that? Did you feel, even if you didn't know that's why you came, when you felt that feeling, did you just know that you were home? You did, didn't you? And when you felt that feeling, you says, I'm gonna be here. And I will promise you, that feeling you felt is what thousands and tenth of thousands and hundreds of thousands are yearning for, that feeling, and they have no idea where to find it. They're waiting for you. You know how many people come and told me they've been looking, praying, seeking for something in their life? Savvy is a different company than any company in direct selling. I don't want any of us to compare ourselves to any other company in this business.
Amen.
Not in clothing business, not in direct selling company. Savvy stands alone.
Yes.
We have a mission that's important. We have a community that's different than anything that's out there. We have a mission to change people's lives, our number one priority inside the company. And that's true from the bottom to the top. It's true with our shareholders, it's true with our investors, it's true with our employees. All of us know why we're here. We're here on something important. And so I just want each one of you to know, we love you. It's not cliche, it's not marketing. I know sometimes in our world we hear we love you and we're all saying, okay, what's your real motive, right? What are you trying to get out of me? What do you need from me? We love you if you join Savvy, we love you if you don't. We love the people that say yes, we love the people that say no. We love the people that wish they could get there, we love people that actually do the work to get there. And if our community's primary objective is to lift humanity from wherever they may be, without judging, without any kind of expectation, if we love first, we will create something this world's never seen before. We'll create the most needed element that's ever existed in this community and in this world. Everyone's yearning for that, and we have an opportunity as a group to just create something never done. I love this. This fashion show was powerful. People ask me about that fashion show, and you know what I said? There's never been a fashion show like what we just saw. You know why? In almost every fashion show you see people sitting at the side, and they're critics. And they're looking at the clothes. They're saying, is that clothes perfect? Does it seam off? Is that beautiful? And nobody here even really paid that much attention to the clothes because you were too busy focusing on the person. And that person stood up. Yes. And when they stood up and they shined, y'all bawled. And so did I. I had goosebumps, my hair was standing up, my throat was crackling up, my eyes were watering, every little valve in my body was going off because I loved seeing them shine. That's Savvy. We're gonna do a lot more of those things. And we're gonna be wearing the clothes, but we're gonna be paying attention to the person. And so our focus is on the person. We're gonna win, and we're gonna create something big. And we're just getting started.
Yes.
I love you. We love you.
We love you.
Thank you so much for your trust and these everything. So thank you so much.
We are the luckiest people on the entire planet to have this guy right here. Ken Porter.
Alright, so I'm headed back to the room. It is 9:50. My last night. We just had our farewell dinner for my company. Look at this awkward. I used a stick of sunscreen on my shoulders. And then I used a spray. Well, apparently the spray doesn't work very well because I'm burnt. The stick worked, obviously. You can see where I used the stick. So anyway, that'll be nice, you know. So anyways, going back to the room. This was my last day here. It was great. It was amazing. This place is gorgeous. Highly recommend. There's no light here. The food was left a little bit to be desired, but the service is great. The people here are great. The grounds are great. The music's great. And yeah, if you ever get a chance to come out to Playa del Carmen, Paradisius, Playa del Carmen is a great choice. So if you enjoy these videos, please let me know by subscribing and clicking that thumbs up button. And yeah, if you have any questions or anything, just put it down in the comments. But have more travels coming your way, so be sure to follow along and keep living the good life.